Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the default download location in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, turn on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. Make sure everything is fully booted before proceeding to the next step. Once your PC is ready, navigate to your Windows desktop and open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar or by pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard. File Explorer is your gateway to managing files and folders on your computer, so it's essential to know where to find it. Within File Explorer, look at the left side menu where you'll see several default folders listed, such as Documents, Pictures, and Downloads. These are Windows built-in quick access folders that help you organize your files. Now, right-click on the Downloads folder specifically. This is the folder where all your internet downloads are currently being saved by default. A context menu will appear with several options. From this context menu, click on Properties. This will open a new window that contains all the settings and information about your Downloads folder, including its current location and storage properties. In the Folder Properties window that appears, click on the Location tab at the top. This tab is specifically designed to let you customize where Windows stores your downloaded files. You'll see the default download location displayed in the field presented, which is usually something like c:\users\your username\downloads. From this menu, look for and click on the Move button. This is the key step that allows you to redirect your downloads to a different drive or folder. Clicking this button opens another File Explorer window where you can browse through your computer's storage. In this new window, simply select the folder or directory where you wish to store your downloaded files. You might want to choose a different drive if your C drive is running low on space, or perhaps you have a dedicated storage drive for downloads. Once you've located your preferred folder, click on Select Folder to confirm your choice. You'll notice that the path directory in the Location tab will immediately change to reflect this newly added folder. This means all future downloads will automatically go to this new location instead of the old default folder, giving you better control over your storage management. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default download location in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.